In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact Chime support. Whether you're facing an issue with your account or just need some guidance, reaching out to Chime support is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get you the help you need. First, you'll want to open up the Chime app on your device. Once you've done that, look towards the bottom of your screen. There, you'll find a menu. Tap on Profile to get started. This is your gateway to accessing various features and settings within the app. After tapping on Profile, your next step is to select the Help Center. The Help Center is a valuable resource filled with frequently asked questions and help articles that cover a wide range of common issues. It's always worth checking these out first, as you might find a quick solution to your problem without needing to reach out to support directly. However, if you do need to speak with someone, look for the chat option within the Help Center. Tapping on Chat will open up the Support Chat feature where you can type out your issue. It's a direct line to getting the help you need. Initially, you might be connected to a virtual assistant. These virtual assistants are designed to help resolve common issues quickly, but don't worry if your problem requires human assistance. You can always request to speak with a live agent if needed. Simply type your request in the chat and you'll be connected to someone who can help. Once you're connected with a live agent, explain your issue clearly and concisely. The more details you provide, the better they can assist you. After you've explained your situation, all that's left is to wait for their assistance. The support team is there to help, so don't hesitate to ask any questions or for further clarification on your issue. And there you have it. That's how to contact Chime support. It's a simple process designed to ensure you get the help you need as efficiently as possible. Remember, the Help Center is always a good starting point for any queries you might have, and the support chat is there when you need more personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.